As someone who chronically talks about what they want to do but spends too much time thinking about what to do and don't actually take action, this is my 5-step game plan for getting things done this year and actually taking action. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Unbelievable and I am a content creator. Can't believe I'm actually saying that because for a minute I didn't believe I was, but now I am. I'm a corporate tech girly turned entrepreneur, and I'm taking everything I learned in the corporate world and applying that to growing my business. So come along with me. First thing first, and I have a list here because you know we're being organized this year. First thing first I want to do this year is to not wait for the perfect time or the right moment to do something. If the Lord puts something on my heart to do, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I don't think there's no such thing as having perfect timing. So for me, it's all about when I have an idea, just going ahead and executing with what I got. The second thing I'm going to do this year is I'm going to stay in community. And what that means is I am going to utilize the people that are around me that are successful, who are building businesses, and learning from them, as well as sharing what I've learned with them. And it also means that I am going to be going to events, networking events, meeting new people, and expanding my reach, because I'm sure they have clients and they have people in their community and their network that could also share insights and help me grow. And I've really been relying on this African proverb that has just stuck with me all throughout last year and now in 2026. It's if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go with others. So that's what I'm doing this year. I'm really trying to build up my community. The third thing that I'm going to do this year is be consistent. Consistency is one of my biggest struggles, and I don't know about you, but I will have great momentum in the beginning of the year or at the beginning of a project, and I lose that momentum. And it's crazy to think about because I will have a whole plan, a whole strategic evaluation, and know exactly what to do, and just don't be consistent with it. So I'm really trying to stick to what I have written, and sometimes things don't go as planned, and that's okay. But what I do have written, I want to be consistent and actually get them done. The fourth thing that I'm doing is I'm joining creator networks. So there are a few websites and programs that I have found thanks to TikTok and Instagram that have helped me learn more about how this works. But something that has worked with my consulting business is joining these third-party vendors. And essentially how it works is they are the conduit between you and the company or the brand or the business or the person that wants your services, and it kind of helps bridge that gap. So they find campaigns and consultations for you to be a part of, and you complete a request form or some type of document that shows and asserts your position in the market, in the field. And if you're a great fit, the person requesting the services gets paired with you, and that's how consultation comes to life. And I've been doing that from a brand consulting and a marketing and event consulting perspective under my business, Unbelievable LLC. But now I want to transition that into creating content UGC. So I've been joining these networks, and it's been great so far to be able to actually see brands reaching out to me. So definitely join a career network. And then the fifth thing that I'm doing to just hold myself accountable this year is I am praying over everything. And not that I wasn't doing that before, but I will say last year I had so many plans, so many things I wanted to go my way, and they simply did not go my way at all. And I honestly do feel like I wasn't submitting my goals and my plans to the Lord. And because of that, He allowed things to go in a completely different route, which is fine because I learned a lot. But now that I am more spiritually mature and more aware of God's purpose for my life, I plan on praying over everything. Before every email gets sent, before every phone call, before every meeting, before every time I post something, before whatever, I'm going to pray over it and truly allow the Lord to be in it from the beginning to the end. So if this video was helpful for you, please comment below. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, help your girl out, because we're trying to grow this year, and I'm really trying to focus on growing a community. I don't want to just be me talking to myself all the time. I really would love to have a community of others so we can keep each other accountable and share tips and tricks and learnings and truly just pray for each other and grow a God-led community. So if you feel led to, follow your girl, stay along on the journey, and let's have an amazing God-led year.